Good day everyone, my name is Johan B. Migrinho and I'm going to present to you my report about making concept learning effectively. So this is how we gonna make our learning concept effectively. So first one, we have provide a clear definition of concept. The second one is make the defining and features very concrete and prominent. Give a variety of positive instances and also give the negative instances. And the next one is we need to cite a best example for prototype. Provide opportunities for learners to identify positive and negative instances. Ask learner to think of their own examples and their concepts so that they can share their thoughts about the topic. And the last one is point out how concepts can be related to each other. So the next one is we have schemas and scripts. So schemas is a organized body of knowledge about something. It is like a file of information you hold in your mind about something, like a schema of what a teacher is. The next one is a script. Is a schemas like includes a series of predictable events about the specific activities. So your role as a teacher is to bring learners to construct their own knowledge such that they have a well-organized set of concepts. Aim to make clear those concepts that is still vague for them and to pave the way for them to overcome the misconceptions. It is important that you acquire still on how to facilitate concept formation and development. So the best is the constructivism can be excellent guide for us. So now let's talk about applying constructivism and facilitating learning. So these are the type or the kinds of constructivism. The first one is aim to make learners understand a few key ideas in an in-depth manner rather than taking up so many topics so proficiently. So the next one is give varied examples. The third one is provide opportunities for experimentation so that they can explore about something new. And next is have lots of handout activities so that they can make or share their thoughts about those activities or share their knowledge about it. And the third one is relate your topic to real life situation. This is one of the most important thing that a teacher should apply because it is a big factor or easiest way for our students to understand the topic. So the next one and last is do not depend on the explanation methods all the time. So that is all my report about the making concept learning effective. That's all. Thank you.